Well, hey everybody, Outdoor Crafter here. Today's video is going to be on how to properly sharpen this chainsaw chain here. And a lot of people do it the wrong way. And I'm going to show everybody the right way to do things here. And hopefully you guys will be able to see the right angle. And if there's any comments, just leave me a line and I'll try to get back to you. I've been busy lately, so I'm going to cut to the chase and I'm going to show everybody how to properly sharpen this thing here. As you notice, the teeth, there's one going this way and one's going in the opposite way. So since the bar is facing me on this side, I'm doing with the teeth facing me this way with the angle going that way. So the angle we're looking for here is a 35-degree angle. That's the proper standard method for sharpening here. So normally I would just put a little string or a ribbon around so you keep track of where you're at, but I don't need to do that. So I'm going to start over here and we're looking at the angle. I don't know if you can actually see this, but it's right to 35 here, and just bring it down just a slight bit. So it'll get that right angle on her. And you'll be able to tell. Yeah, you see? See, now it's nice and smooth. Then you know it's nice and sharp. You see? When it's a little gritty at first, you know that it's dull. And then it starts to smooth out on you. See, I'm used to the angles, so see, it's nice and smooth. So you hear that? That's nice. You know it's sharp. So we're going to skip one here because the teeth is going in the opposite direction here. See, this one's facing the opposite way. So we're looking up around here. See, 35-degree angle. Put it down slightly. And see, yeah, this one's pretty good. Because this one's pretty sharp still. You see? Alright. Doesn't take very long to do, so. And 35, and down the next level, because you level it with the top one, and then it's the bottom when you bring it down. That's that 35-degree angle there on the bottom here. So first you level it with this at the top, and when you bring it down, it's the bottom one here. You see? See, we're looking at the 35, so you'll know. See? And then bring it down. Very easy thing to do, so. And it doesn't take that long. A lot of people use these electric sharpeners. That wrecks chains quick. Because you don't feel where you are. So you don't know how sharp you're actually making it. You see? That's why I don't like electric sharpeners. Yeah. See, it's pretty good still because I sharpened it the other day too. So I cut a bunch of trees, and so. I haven't seen any videos on how to sharpen chainsaw chain, so I think I'd probably be one of the first. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Everyone needs to know if they operate a chainsaw. See? Level it with this one, and then slight angle downwards towards you on the bottom one. 35-degree angle. I know I keep repeating it, but some people need to be hearing it twice, maybe 3 times. Okay. It's jumping a bit, so it's dull at it. So when it starts to get smooth, like right there, see? Nice. It's sharp. Okay. And now, slight angle, and it goes right to the bottom. Okay. that's pretty good there. And this is a Craftsman chainsaw, by the way. I can't afford no Husqvarna or Stihl or Echo, so yeah, she's sharp. Oh yeah, sharp. Razor sharp. Okay, not that one. Yeah, that one there. And what I'll do afterwards, you guys probably seen these. This is a little grease gun, and they go into the little holes at the top here. It's always nice to grease it up. I tend to do it when it's coming right out of the chain, you know, so it's lubricated really nice. So I'll do that afterwards. And I got to tighten the chain a little bit, as you notice, just a wee bit. See, it's a little loose. It's not bad, you know, but slight, because it's a new bar and new chain, so it kind of gets tight. So as you notice here, it's all loose and everything. So not a big deal. Yeah, I left off there. See? I always know where I leave off, so that's actually not too bad. It's still fairly sharp, except for some teeth, you know. So. Yeah, she's sharp. Oh yeah, beautiful. Yeah, it's pretty good still. But I just wanted to show everybody how it's properly done anyways. You guys get the idea. Yeah, it's pretty sharp still. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it around, because you got to do both sides, because you notice I skipped every second one. So I'm hoping you guys will see all this. I'll try to bring it as close as possible here. I just got to move this bar oil. Alright, there we go. And I skipped every second one, so now I'm doing the ones towards me. Same idea. Your 35-degree angle, you measure with the top one, bring it down slightly, and you're at the where you're supposed to be. Okay, and it's still good just the same. See, this was sharp, so I don't have to worry about that one. Yeah, they're still pretty good, so, you know. And really nice sharpening tool, you know. You need one of these if you're going to sharpen properly. See, that one's nice too. There we go. We'll just top this one off a little bit. Yeah, really nice and smooth now. Yeah. Yeah, it's still pretty good. Okay, top, 35, down a bit. Keep that same angle. Beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, that's nice and sharp. That's sharp. Oh, this one here needs it. So you could tell when something needs sharp, you just test it, you know? Nice. Okay. And yeah, it's pretty good. So yeah. Now what I'll do, I'll take the grease gun here, and it's right at the front of your bar here, and you just squeeze a bunch of oil in there. I notice it's a little tight here, but that's because it's a brand new chain. And I said I would tighten this up a little bit here, and you do that right at the bottom here. Yeah, that's good. You could just tell. Well, I've been operating a saw for a while, so just a slight bit there. Yeah. Oh. There you go. There. Yeah, that's good. Now, boil her up. The more lubrication you get in there, the better. So, it's the way I like it. Because you don't want your chain drying up on you, and then it gets too hot, and then you're running into complications after that. And that's it, everybody. Really simple, and I hope that this tip has been very helpful for everybody. Now you guys know how to properly sharpen your chainsaws. Till the next video, everybody, I'm Outdoor Crafter, and stay tuned, there's more to come. I'll see you then. Bye for now.